how to update carrier settings on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you need to update your carrier settings on iPhone? Then don't worry, I'll help you out. Let's dive right in. So to update a carrier settings on your iPhone, you'll have to make a software update. For that, open up the settings on your iPhone, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. So now you can either turn on the automatic updates, or if you have not turned it on, then you'll have to come here and then manually install it. But here you can see that iOS is up to date, which means the software is updated till date and it does not need any update. So that means your carrier settings have also been already updated. But if it's not working, then what you can do is you need to restart your phone. Sometimes restarting a device takes you a long way. For that, you can drop the notification bar to access the control center, and then you'll see a power button on the top right, and you have to tap on it and then restart the device. And that's it. This will update the carrier settings on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.